In this video, I will tell you how to do a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop CC. For this tutorial, I have a design label and a can. To combine the two images without cropping manually, we can do clipping mask. In Photoshop, I've added an image of the label design and can. Both images are in PNG format with transparent background. And now, I need to set position of the design layout. If it's adjusted, duplicate the can layer. Move can copy layer to the top. The next step, click the normal column to set the blend mode. You can choose the blend mode according to the appearance of the image. In this tutorial, I will choose overlay mode. After doing that, right-click on the label design layer. Select Create Clipping Mask. And now the label design layer has been clipped according to the side of the can. If the position of the label doesn't look right, we can still adjust the scale and position of the image. And if the splash of water on the side looks annoying, you can delete it. That's how to combine the two images using the clipping mask method in Adobe Photoshop CC. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video tutorial.